Today we will study what is motion, what is the role of frame of reference and difference between distance and displacement. So, motion means change in position of object with time. Another question arises is what is one-dimensional motion? When the object or a particle moves along single axis, or simply, we can say motion along straight line. Straight line motion may be slanted or in horizontal axis. We know about Cartesian system where position of object is specified by its three coordinates: x, y, and z. Frame of reference play an important role in study of motion. Frame of reference defines position of object in two- or three-dimensional space. To understand distance and displacement clearly, let us consider the following example. Suppose a person moves from A to B 4 kilometers east, B to C 3 kilometers north, then what is distance and displacement of the person? For calculating distance, we simply added the total path taken by the person, which in this case is A to B and B to C, 3 plus 4 kilometers, which in total comes out to be 7 kilometers. For calculating displacement of the person, we need to know the shortest path which a person takes from initial point to final destination point. Here displacement equals 2 under root of 3 square plus 4 square by Pythagoras' theorem, which equals to 5 kilometers. An object covers 1/4 of the circular path. What will be the ratio of the distance and displacement of the object? For this type of problem, the most important thing is to draw the diagram of the situation presented by problem, then proceed over to solutions. In this case, particle travels 1/4 of the circular path, which simply implies that distance covered by the object will be equal to 1/4 of the circumference of the circular path, which equal to pi r by 2. For calculating displacement, we need to know the shortest path, that is distance between initial and final position of the object, which in this case is length xy. The length xy equals to square root of r square plus r square, which equals to root 2 times r. They have asked us the ratio of distance over displacement. For that, we write pi r by 2 divided by root 2r.